Leasing consultants, property managers, I've got one question for you. Are you pre-framing with your prospects when they show up for the tour? Chances are a lot of you don't even know what pre-framing is. Hey, for my Leasing University students, don't give them the answer in the comments below. If you're not a part of Leasing University, I want you to tell me in the comments below what your definition of pre-framing is. Let me walk you through what our definition is over at Leasing University. And if you're looking for the training that's going to help you be the next leasing rock star, that's going to help you hit all of your occupancy goals ahead of schedule and under budget, please come and see us over at leasinguniversity.com. Check us out over at leasinguniversity.com. It is the #1 leasing consultant sales training platform in the world. And hey, if you want me to come out and personally work with your teams, I'm happy to do that as well. You can always reach my office at 888-735-7451. Let's talk a little bit about pre-framing. Most of the time, a prospect will show up at the community and the community manager will just launch into the tour. Heck, the industry is known for us having these prefabricated cookie cutter tours. I'm going to show you this, then I'm going to show you the fitness center, now I'm going to show you the business center, and we've got 2 or 3 different units that we're going to look at. Walk this way, come with me. Nobody is pre-framing. Here's what I mean by pre-framing. Matt, I'm so glad you were able to make the appointment today. I am so excited. I think I've got the perfect apartment home to show you. Hey Matt, before we get started, do you mind if I kind of recap my understanding of your current situation and what's most important to you? Sure, yeah, that sounds great. Fantastic. Listen, when we talked on the phone, you had told me that you're moving to the area from Denver, Colorado. You're looking for a 2-bedroom. The reason why you wanted that 2-bedroom was because you're going to use the 2nd bedroom as a home office. I love it. It's going to be great. We've got a lot of professionals living here. And I've got a couple different versions that I'm going to show you with both the office detached and a 1 plus a nook that you can use as the office. You told me why having that space was so important is because right now you're in a 1-bedroom over in Denver and you're having to work from your bed, right? You work on your laptop on your bed. That's no good. We're going to take care of that. You told me what you wanted to see first was the swimming pool. Why you wanted to see the swimming pool first is your current place in Denver does not have a swimming pool. When we talked about your ideal situation, you would love to be able to work and then hit the pool. You told me you also do a lot of road biking, and after a long bike ride, there's nothing better than sitting in the hot tub. I can't wait to show you the pool. We're gonna walk by the pool first. You also told me what was important to you was the kitchen. I am so excited to show you the kitchen in this particular unit. I know you do a lot of cooking. You are gonna love these white quartz countertops. They are amazing. Matt, does all of that still match what you had in mind? Yeah, it does. Did I miss anything? Nope, you didn't miss anything at all. Great. Hey, has anything changed since you and I last spoke? We spoke on Tuesday of last week. Has anything changed there? No, nothing's changed. Actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, I did talk to my current property manager in Denver, and they said they would let me out of the lease 2 weeks early. So if you've got something a little bit sooner, I could actually move in sooner than our target date that we talked about it. Great. I'm so glad you told me that. I will check availability and we'll see if we can get you in here a little bit sooner. And before we start the tour, I know we've got everything laid out. If you were able to find your ideal apartment and your ideal scene, remind me again of just kind of the vibe that you're looking for. What does that look like to you? Boom, boom, boom. Ask them those. Pre-frame everything. Recap your understanding of their situation. And I want you to be asking them, does that still match what you need? Has anything changed since we last spoke? Did I miss anything? All 3 of those are very, very different questions. And we go in deeply over at leasinguniversity.com as to why you need to ask all 3 of those. Because 1 prevents the prospect from lying to you. 2, the first one confirms that is really what they want. Hey, does this still match what you need? Great, yes, it does. Now you're in a position to confirm with them. And you're in a position where they're not going to come and be like, well, you know, I don't like the stairs, or I don't like this and that. You're going to show them exactly what's important to them, and you've confirmed with them. When you ask them, did I miss anything? All that is a get out of jail free card if they've been withholding some information from you. Of course you didn't miss anything, but when you put it in the terminology of did I miss anything, it's a lot easier than saying, hey, are you withholding anything? Do you have a big 450-pound Rottweiler that you're not telling me about? Did I miss anything? And that last question, has anything changed since we last spoke? You are going to be amazed when you ask that before the tour at how many times things change, both good and bad. But a professional does not ignore the situation. A professional pre-frames and gets all of that out of the way. I would much rather know ahead of time that they've already looked at another place, they love that place, and they're pretty sure they're going to sign the lease there, because then I could say, why? What was it that, you know, what did you see there, so I can make sure that I show you the appropriate things here on our tour. Always pre-frame, always review your understanding of their current situation with them. It is going to help you so much. Please do not just start your cookie cutter tours and start showing them things. Your job as a professional is to understand your renter and their wants and needs. This is just one of the over 300 things that we teach you over at Leasing University. I encourage you, please check out Leasing University. And if you work anywhere in property management and you're looking for great tips, great inspiration, if you're looking to get fired up, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I would love to have you as part of the community here on YouTube. I am so excited to read your comments. Did I miss anything in the pre-frame? Are there any things, maybe for my Leasing University students, are there any things that I did not include in this video here that you can put in the comments below to help your fellow leasing consultants? I really appreciate you sticking with me on the video. I really appreciate you guys checking out leasinguniversity.com, and I really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Until the next video, I'm Matt Easton, your friend in leasing and life. Be great and get those leases. "500 of the top property management companies work with Leasing University. We conduct 100 live apartment leasing training events per year. We help our clients sign over 100,000 additional leases per year, adding $2 billion to their revenue. Leasing consultants that have access to Leasing University lease 7 times more apartments than the rest of the industry. Leasing University is new. Leasing University is game-changing, and Leasing University will get you 7 times more leases. Listen, the apartment industry has changed. The way people rent apartments today is totally different than it was yesterday. Today's renter has more access to information, and they've got more choices in apartments than they've ever had before. If you're struggling to get leases, it's most likely not your location, it's not your amenities, and it's not your price. It's your sales training. If you've been made to sit through a boring class or unrealistic online training, and you're not getting the skills that you need to work with renters, to help you handle their objections, and to make sure you close the lease and rent the apartment, well, that ends today with Leasing University. Our simple, fun, and exciting step-by-step online training and live events will give you the skills and confidence that you need to lease 7 times more apartments. Earn your Certified Leasing Consultant Credential in less than 30 days with Leasing University. Simply click on the link to get started and head over to leasinguniversity.com now to start your training. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense. Even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.